Now, I would like to call upon the names of the smart students of Grade 1 Scorpio who had shown wonderful performance in the drill display competition. Ashley Pramod, Aidan Anish Matthew, Akshara Thomas, Andrea Anna Binu, Andrea Elsa Sibi, Anaya Naveen, Angush Das, Asaria Shosha Jacob, Daniel Bobby Samuel, Dana Dinesh, Dion Dinesh, Delix Matthew Jace, Dharmiga Simhadri, Dylan Joseph Salush, Edwin Boban Baby, Emmanuel Alvin Kurian, Ivana Jinu, Hannah Ann Allen, Johan Anup Kuriakos, Rayan MP, Rihanna Valushka Pinto, Satvik Chowdhury, Saket Srikumar, Samarth Nair, Samuel Ronald, Swara Nair, Trinity Steny Philip. Thank you. Namaste. I take this opportunity to thank the school management for organizing a virtual sports meet during the situation arising due to COVID-19. The efforts taken by the PD department to conduct the sports meet in a successful way are really appreciable. We the teachers also got a chance to involve ourselves in some physical activities. It really helped to bloom a sportsman spirit in students. As a part of the sports meet, an online drill display competition was arranged for the students of grades 1 and 2. It was really an amazing experience for me to give an online drill training to grade 1 Scorpio. In the beginning, we had many difficulties. We had poor network connection and initially it was difficult for us to coordinate well with music and all. But by regular practice, we were able to overcome these issues. The children enjoyed all the practice sessions and they did well. It kindled a sportsman spirit in them. The parents were also very happy to see their kids dancing with music and they gave all their support and help to make this drill display beautiful and flawless. It was really a new experience to all of us. Once again, I thank and appreciate everyone who put forth their sincere efforts to make this event a grand success. Thank you.
Now I would like to call my little army of 1 Mercury, those who showed their excellent performance in drill display competition. First of all, I will start with Ashwin Anish, Amar Adam, Burhanuddin Hussain, Crystal Elsa, Edwin Sibi, Esther Ann, Fatima Shahid, Fran Joshua, Ilham Bajwa, Ishana Dev, Zaramia Thomas, Johan Jem, Jovian Elsa Joby, Kanza Yashar, Krisha Chaudhary, Michelle Umar Arab, Muhammad Talha, Natasha Denny, Rayan Yemen, Shania Mumtaz Patil, Sarah Elsa Jim, Tehzeeb Fatima, Theo Joseph, Yugesh Karthikeyan. Well done, children.
Hello to everyone. In the starting, when I heard that our school is going to organize virtual sport meet, I was totally blank. Like sports, how anybody can play a game on virtual platform? How is it so possible? So many thoughts were going into my mind. Like how I will manage all the things, how we will prepare the drill. Then I just took a deep breath and I thought just to start the drill. And my powerhouse, all the parents showed their trust on me. They always supported me. They kept on motivating me on each step. Whenever I asked the children to do the practice, they were ready with their full energy and their cute smile. When the result came that we are selected for the semi-finals, I was totally surprised because I never expected that. But children's hard work and patience has given sweet fruits. I'm very proud of you, my dear children. Thanks to our school and our PE department for keeping our children fit and active during this pandemic period also. Thank you so much.
Now, I would like to call Grade 1 Earth students who have done amazing performance in drill display competition. First, Abhirami Nitin, Andriel Job, Alina Achu, Arjun Ganesh, Asfia Fatima, Dikra Ismail, Ikasjit Singh, Alvin Shobin, Isha Manon, Janice Alicia, Jeffin Gnana, Joanna Maria, Karishma Sujit, Kedarnath Nair, Kirtana Sujit, Kezia Sunil, Mahira Raid, Matthew Vizapalli, Abdul Jabbar, Rohan Amit Kumar, Siddharth Biswas, Tessa Praveen. Namaste everyone. Respected Chairman, Mr. N.K. Ramachandran Menon, Principal Mr. Mahesh Iyer, Vice Principal Ms. Albin Daisy, teachers, parents and my dear students. In this corona crisis pandemic, we shifted our physical platform to a virtual platform and hence we organized the sport meet on a virtual platform. It was the first time experience to prepare the students to perform a task on a virtual platform. In the beginning of drill practice sessions, I faced some challenges, but after I trained the students step by step for the competition, after a successful teamwork, my class, Grade 1 Earth, selected for a final round. During this whole process, children were very excited, energetic and confident. It was an amazing experience. Definitely, it was challenging, but only challenges can direct the path to success. I would like to thank all the parents and students for their well support and cooperation. Thank you so much all. Namaste. Stay home. Stay safe.
Now, I would like to call my all tiny tots who have given their amazing performance in drill display competition. Aditi Ram Rajesh, Angeline Gloria, Ankita Anup, Arush Chaudhary, Gautam Krishna, Jian Roshan, Hiba Fatima, Indran Basu, Karthik Arvind, Manan Gupta, Mohammad Akif, Paul Matthew, Rohan Umashankar, Ryan Subin, Sam Solomon Raj, Shiv Nair, Shreya Nair, Tanish Morotu, Taran Aparna, Tejasvi Shrikumar, Vishak Suresh, Vishnu Kotai.
We have heard everything is hard before it is easy. I felt same when I heard about drill display competition. I was thinking about how effectively we can start practicing. It was quite difficult to manage timing the crucial deadlines which has to be respected. Doing things in 10 minutes is not easy. Also, we have seen live drills, so it was quite challenging. But I see on the cave, technology has helped me to be creative. After many practices, we were ready with great confidence, collaboration, and finally got qualified for semifinals. As we know, collaboration is about teamwork. I felt like our team has become a family. We had fierce discussions in which there was a participation of everyone. The cooperation and understanding among the team members were phenomenal. Sometimes team had to work extra time but I got the same back. At last, working hard became our habit, a serious kind of fun, and all the efforts paid off by winning semifinals. I would like to dedicate this success to my children first, who made me feel proud, parents for putting efforts, and PT department for the amazing guidance. Last but not the least, school for giving me the opportunity. With this, I will conclude. Appreciation is a wonderful thing. It makes what is excellent in others belongs to us as well. Thank you.
I would like to call upon my students, those who have done amazing performance in the drill display competition. Ahil Ahmed, Abhijit Kochubarambil Sinosh, Advik Sandhu Amarjit, Ariel Verghese, Basil Eljo, Brahmjot Singh, Catherine Mary Papachan, Daniel Anij Thomas, Darun Kandaswamy Prabhu, Dominic Dibu Palayo, Jarvis Justin, Jessica Justin, Johanna Elsa Liju, Josna Sarvanan, Melron Manuel Melvin, Namish Naveen Banjara, Nathan Abhilash Thomas, Pranavi Kasturi, Rehan Rabid, Raman Goshal, Rayon Matthew Tibi, Sarah Josephine Ebi, Sriya Prinesh, Tejel Sandosh Chollam Tadatil, Johan Jos Pollail. Thank you. Myself Amina, I'm the class teacher of Grade 2 Scorpio. First of all, I would like to thank our school management for giving us this opportunity to take part in the display competition. It was a great experience for me to interact with the children and make them to reach their semi-final. This could have been only happened with the help and support of our dear parents. Parents have been very cooperative, suggesting innovative ideas for props and setting backgrounds. Initially, we tried to set up a virtual background, but it was not that effective. Parents and children's contribution to make a wall decor was really outstanding. The kids were also very curious and energetic throughout the training period. It's a wonderful experience for me to training them and bring out their best. Thank you.
My students who enthusiastically practiced and participated in the drill display are Adidev, Advik Agarwal, Agastya Srivastav, Akshay Ananda, Amitesh Vinod, Arshita, Ashton Martin Prabhu, Atharv Srivastav, Avantika Selva, Dion Prince Babu, Drone Deepak Patil, Ezekiel Nubin, Faizan Jawad, Irene Maria Shijo, Joel Shinoj, Mariam Abdul Jabbar, Mohammad Ishaq, Natasha Jyoti Jitin, Nihal Anup, Niranjan Nair, Sai Sahas Chowdhury, Sama Shakil Parkar, Shreya Vivek, Shreya Vineet Sabil, Surya Nanda and Zara Naeem Chowdhury. Thank you.
The drill display competition will be one of the memorable one to recall. The readiness and the enthusiasm of the students for the participation was inspiring. It definitely helps them to improve their skills of sportsmanship. I and my students take this opportunity to thank the parents for always being supportive and encouraging. Thank you, dear teachers of Physical Education Department. Special thanks to our management for this opportunity. Thank you.
Let me call my two Libra team who have done excellent performance in drill display. First, Armal, Aidan Maju, Adna Rinosh, Angeline Joby, Avril Elizabeth Lijo, Daniel Vinoy Varghese, Dia Maria Josh, Ishal Sinan, Ishanvi Jaykrishnan, Jaden Matthew Robin, Joanna Isaac, John Sobin, Juan Manu Jacob, Kartik Anil, Mariam Niti, Mohammad Gajli Rahman, Mohammad Junaid Khan, Mohammad Rehan Safi, Mohammad Fizan Samsir, Nathan Abraham Vinod, Ryan Sando, Rohan Matthew, Samruddhi Balpande, Sonamol Bimal Kumar, Sri Sailesh Govinath. Thank you. Hello, I am Parth Chaudhary, class teacher of Grade 2 Libra. Teaching online, it was a first time experience for all of us. Apart from all of that, when I heard about virtual sports day celebration and drill display, I was shocked. It was a bit tough in the beginning, but with the help of the parents and my 2 Libra team, finally we rocked. Thank you parents to continue support for the props and costumes, and especially thanks to my kiddos. I just want to tell you, the efforts of parents plus students plus teachers is equal to 100% result, and yes, we nailed it. Thank you school to give me this opportunity.
Let me call my students who have done wonderful performance in drill display. First, Abdullah Hussaini, Afan Suhani, Ahmad Azad, Ameya Vasudevan, Angeline Teresa Jidin, Daniel Thomas Abelash, Elijah Daniel Rebelo, Imad, Emily Liza Sunley, Eva Ann Agash, Hannah Mariam Reji, Hisham Muhammad Shafraz, Kushali Shivakumar, Mahad Jose, Muhammad Aban Saji, Munib Faisal Afriti, Parvati Leodarsh, Ryan Roji Verghese, Sarah Sinoj, Shah Zaman, Shanaya Niaz, Soha Baloch, Zayan Mohammad Faraz.
Hi everyone. First of all, a big salute to the Department of Physical Education for planning and smoothly executing the virtual sports day. I was apprehensive in the beginning as to how will the drill display work out in the virtual mode. When I started the group, parents all-heartedly welcomed the suggestions regarding the costumes and the properties to be used for the drill display. Some parents came up creative videos demonstrating the preparation of props. The overwhelming support from parents and my students gave me the confidence that we will win the drill display. Parents truly did a good job in organizing the drill display by paying attention to all the minute details. Children also were proactive, energetic, and cooperative during the online practice sessions. The sincere efforts of my students have really made me a proud class teacher. The words of mine may not be enough to show my gratefulness, but honestly, I would like to thank you, dear parents. I cannot repay you for the extreme support, but all I can do is pray for your well-being and give lots of love, care and support to your children. Let us win many laurels together again in the coming events. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.
respected chairman, principal, teachers, parents and all my dear students. Let me start by thanking the PE department for choosing me to give the closing remarks for this drill display certificate presentation in continuation of the annual Sports Meet 2020. This year was the best for us as we completed all the sports events which weren't possible due to the pandemic and without physical schooling. That too on time. The arrangements, planning and execution were all excellent. The best part of any sports day is the drill display. This year too, Arjun Banks of CIS, grade 1 and 2 Smarters, performed exceedingly well as trained by their own parents at home, and all of them earned success with their efforts and discipline. A big thanks to all the class teachers who were the source of support and instruments in bringing out the nail-biting and jaw-dropping performances on this virtual platform. Congratulations to the teams that qualified for semi-finals of the drill display competition and all the winners of the competition. At this juncture, I would like to remember to thank the judges and other teachers who supported with their gestures of generous cooperation. If Sports Day was possible in school this year, it's all because of the PE staff whose untiring efforts and commitment are truly commendable and exemplary. Huge thanks and congrats to the PE department headed by Dr. Murugan and Mrs. Subuna. I'll fail in my duty if I do not take the name of our charming personality, Chairman Sir Mr. Ram, who always support sports and academics equally, and our principal who trusts the teachers and for providing the opportunity to conduct the sports day this year. It's not the team with the best players that win. It's the players with the best team that wins. Kudos to SIS team. With these words, once again, I congratulate all the winners of the drill display competition. Let noble thoughts come to us from every side.